How are you awesome and amazing people, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about Sauti Sol and the new music video Insecure, which was released about 3 days ago, which is really doing good. So if you're new here, my name is Kolo. I'm an actor, director, scriptwriter, and here we love movies, we love music videos. So what do? We do movie reviews, we do music video reviews, and above all, literature reviews. So if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please press the subscription button. Also press the notifications button so that each time we drop a video, you shall be the first to be informed. But first, let's do this music video review of Sauti Sol's latest release, that is Insecure, which is produced by Prayer Gold Pictures. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's talk about Insecure by Sauti Sol. So, Insecure premiered on the 22nd of May, and as per the time we're doing this this video, it had 452,000 views on YouTube. The song, which has been produced by Prayer Gold and directed by DK. So, as per the time that we were filming this video, the song Insecure was trending #1 on YouTube in a period of 2-3 days. So it's really an amazing song, based by the views, based on each and everything that we are looking in terms of YouTube, in terms of the views on YouTube, in terms of trending. So it's a really good video. So let's go step by step in analyzing this video, which is Insecure. So for us to understand the music video of Insecure by Sauti Sol, first we must understand the song. And the song is talking about insecurities. So what is the song really talking about when you say insecure? Insecure, we're talking about how do we define beauty. Some people are afraid even to go out without makeup. So it's all about the insecurities that people go through from day to day in their daily lives. So when you're talking about Insecure as a story, let's look at the plot of the music video to understand if the music video helped us ensure the music behind Insecure. So if we look at the plot, the music video, the opening scene is a lady walking on a sidewalk, and then she enters a music label shop. Now, when she comes into the music shop, we have Sauti Sol performing their song Insecure, and she stops and starts to listen to the song, and then we are taken back by a flashback where now we go into the life of this lady, and the lady, we see her fighting her demons. I really love the way they brought out the demons inside her and her situation, and it happened in such a way that she was the only one who understood her demons. And you can see as they're dancing around, this is portraying the symbolism in the demons that causes her insecurity. They could be demons of her beauty, her skin color, her skin tone, her fashion sense, her body weight, and all that. So the demon dancing around the lady portrays her insecurity, which came out really well. I really love the way they developed that demon character who presented the insecurities of the lady. So all the time, the lady is thinking, she's remembering what she goes through. And we can see the battle that she goes through, that even at, there was a time she was behind a wire mesh, which I believe symbolized the jail she believed she was in, and as she was screaming, no one was listening. And towards the end of the music video, we see her friends coming, and they find the lady lying on the floor. So when they help us to sit down, we see the demon character walking away. So I believe this symbolizes that friends or people who are around you, people who love you, are the one who will help you fight your demons. So if you have friends, if there are friends who have friends who are going through insecurities, you are the ones to help your friends come around. So let's talk about the costuming and of the whole music video. You can see the Sauti Sol, they were donning the 1980s, 1970s kind of look. Even the music shop, you see, it's selling the old records. So they are doing a 80s, 70s look, which if you've been watching a lot of Sauti Sol, is like an anthem to them. They really love donning the 80s and 70s look, which came out really well, because if they do it on point. You can see all through, from the way the lady is wearing her shoes, the trousers she's wearing. You can also see the way Sauti Sol themselves are donning. They are really looking awesome, and also the brown kind of effect really brought out the 80s look, and it was just amazing. The word is really amazing. In terms of costuming, this video really stands out as a trailblazer, in that they've always been doing this kind of looks, but this one really stood out for me. That is my personal opinion. Let's talk about the location and cinematography in this music video. You can see they only chose 2 locations. That is the music store and this lady's home, which they're just 2, but really stood out. They played around with the locations so that it kept you interested in the music video, that you did not realize that they just had 2 locations, which for me is a very big tick. I believe it's not a must you have a lot of locations so that you can accentuate or you can really bring out your music video. I believe if you have just 1 or 2 locations and you know how to work around your locations, you can really have an amazing music video. Also, let's talk about the cinematography. The cinematography is really awesome. You can see the kind of shots DK took, especially in the lady's house when she's fighting with her demons. It was really awesome. Also the graphics really brought out the 1980s look, and this helped the music video develop the target that I believe they wanted from the word go. Also the music record shop, I believe, really brought out the 80s theme and the 80s look, because right now it's hard for you to get a music shop that is just selling the old kind of records. So these the locations and the cinematography of the music video Insecure by Sauti Sol really stood out, really came out nicely. And for those who want to do an 80s theme, this is one of the music videos that you should watch. If we are to talk about the demerits, honestly, I really looked for the demerits, which I believe were very few. Or if you have noticed any, personally, I have not noticed a lot. The only thing maybe I think they could have worked on is in the storyline. We see at the end, you're not sure if the demon, the insecurity really leaves, or she's just looming around in the house, and when the friends go away, then the demon comes back. So they could have really finished the demon character, like, so that we understand that she has fought her insecurities and now she has won. She's confident in her life, in what she's planning to do, and all that and what have you. But other than that, I believe the music video was really awesome. It has no demerits from my view. The general story really brought out this music video. Now, when it comes to rating this music video, I'll honestly say that this is one of those music videos that you get yourself watching over and over again. And for me, it really stood out. It came out nicely. I've watched the video around 10 times by now, so I'll honestly give it a 9 out of 10. Personally, I believe 9 out of 10 is a very, very good music video. It's not a cliche-like music video. It stands out on its own, and also you can see the development of the character, that is the lady, the storytelling in the music video. It comes out nicely. Also the portraying of the demon character's insecurity, that symbolism also came out really, really nicely. So that also guided my assumption of 9 out of 10. So if you've not watched it, go and watch it. It's really, really an awesome music video. Ladies and gentlemen, it has been an awesome time talking with you about Sauti Sol's latest music video release, that is Insecure. It's a really awesome jam. It's a really awesome video. Go and watch it. Also, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please press the subscription button. Also press the notifications button so that each time we drop a video, you shall be the first to be informed. Also remember to share with your friends and family so that we can help the channel grow. And if you have a music video that you think that we should be covering, or if you have a music video that you want us to cover and we haven't covered, please drop your comments below so that we can ensure that we give you what you are looking for. All in all, it has been an awesome time. Thank you for watching till the end of this music video. Also stick around as we do more videos, and thank you very much. And during this coronavirus period, I pray and hope that you're keeping safe, that you're staying at home, you're staying indoors, and if you must go out, wear a face mask, and also remember to sanitize your hands and maintain social distancing. All in all, I've been your host Kolo. Till next time, adios amigos.